Your CV is your first impression, and it must leave a favorable and lasting impact on the employers. A successful CV is one that will appear in the most searches and generate the most interviews. This section will particularly help you understand how to create a first good impression on the employers by creating an impressive CV and an effective cover letter. Log into your Jobs Abu Dhabi account under Account Login section, available at the right-hand side of the home page, as shown. Next, click on the Post Your CV link, available on the left-hand side of the screen. If you are a first-time user, a page may appear to confirm your profile information. If you have already selected your employment status, it will take you to the Post Your CV page, as shown. On this page, enter a name for your CV, and click on the Continue button. Clicking on the Continue button will take you to the CV Builder page, as shown. CV Builder will play an integral part in making sure that your CV making process becomes simple and easy. The CV Builder will guide you through the CV building process, step by step, providing you with tips and examples along the way. CV Builder page shows your CV name, date of creation, your name, and photograph. Other important sections of your CV are target job, personal information, contact information, experience, education, skills, languages, references, memberships, and cover letters. It also shows your CV completeness score, CV settings, and CV statistics. Now, let's have a look at the various sections of the CV Builder, one by one. To enter or edit target job details, click on the Edit button on the target job bar, as shown. The fields will get enabled for editing. Fields, highlighted in red color, are mandatory. Enter your target job title that best describes the position you are seeking. Enter your target job location. You may also add multiple locations by using Add Another icon. Next, type in your career objective. It is a brief statement of what you are looking for. You may also use spell check, as shown. Select the target industry from the drop-down list of values. You may add multiple industries by using the Add Another icon. Next, select your employment type from the drop-down list of values. Additionally, select your employment status from the drop-down list of values. You may enter the target monthly salary, and even select the currency for your target job. Next, select your career level from the drop-down list of values. Select your notice period from the drop-down list of values to let employers know how early you can join. Enter your last monthly salary received, and select the currency from the drop-down. After entering all the relevant details, click on the Save button. All the details will be submitted and reflect under the Target Job section, as shown. Your CV completeness score will also increase, as shown. Next, to edit your personal information, click on the Edit link on the Personal Information bar. On clicking on the Edit link, you will get a message just below the Personal Information bar, saying that some information on your account can only be edited from eGovernment portal. Please click here to edit your information on your eGovernment account. Hence, to edit the non-editable fields, click on the Here link. In case you have stayed idle for a long time on our portal, you may have to sign in again. You may refer to the My Account section of the online user guide for more information on this. Edit or enter new details in the required fields and click on Continue. Clicking on the Continue button will take you to the Edit Additional Information page. Edit or enter the required fields and click on the Save button. Clicking on the Save button will take you to the My Workspace page. Repeat the steps from clicking on the Post Your CV link to Edit Personal Information section, as covered earlier. Some fields under the Personal Information section will get enabled for editing. Fields highlighted in red color are mandatory. Select additional nationalities from the drop-down list, if applicable. You may add multiple values using the Add Another icon. Select the visa status of the country where you are a resident. Select your marital status and the number of dependents. Next, if you have a valid driving license, select the issuing country from the drop-down menu under Driving License Issued From. Next, enter your national identification number. This is applicable only for UAE nationals. In case you have special needs, you may also select the same from the drop-down list. After entering all the relevant details, click on the Save Changes button. All the details will be submitted, and the information will reflect under the Personal Information section, as shown. Your CV completeness score will increase further. Next, to edit your contact information, click on the Edit link on the Contact Information bar. Repeat the steps to edit the non-editable fields, as covered in the previous section. Some fields under the Contact Information section will get enabled for editing. Fields highlighted in red color are mandatory. You may type in the relevant details, like address, post office box, zip code, fax, website, etc., under this section, and click on the Save Changes button. All the details will submit under the Contact Information section, as shown. Your CV completeness score may increase further. Next, to enter your experience-related details, click on the Add button. Begin with answering if you have any professional work experience. If you select No for professional work experience, all other fields under this section will be removed. Clicking on the Yes Radio button for professional experience will ask for other details, as shown on the screen. Select the start date, end date, enter address, location, and company name. To appear professional, use the official name of the company. Select the company industry from the drop-down list. Be more specific about the type of industry or the job field in which you have worked. Select the job role from the drop-down list. Think of this as the department or general description of your job position in the company. Enter the position you hold or held in the company. Enter the work description in clear and concise statements to describe what you did in the job. After entering all the relevant details, click on the Save button. All the details will submit under the Experience section, as shown. Your total experience in years and months will also be shown. You may now click on the Edit button to make any changes, or click on the Delete button to delete this experience. You may also click on the Add button again to add another experience. Next, click on the Add button to enter your education details. Enter the name of the school, university, or institution from which you received your degree. Write the full name instead of using abbreviations. Select the country from the drop-down list. You may enter the city, and then select the degree. Start with the most prominent degree. Enter your major subjects or fields. You may also enter your GPA. Then, select the completion date. This gives employers a better idea of your career level, depending on when you received or will receive your degree. You may also enter some description of your education. Mention any honors, awards, scholarships, internships, and dissertations received. After entering all the relevant details, click on the Save button. All the details will be submitted under the Education section, as shown. You may now click on the Edit button to make any changes, or click on the Delete button to delete this education. You may also click on the Add button again to add another educational qualification. Next, to add relevant skills to your CV, click on the Add button on Skills bar. Now, enter your skill. Select skill level, years of experience, and last used time span. After entering all the relevant details, click on the Save button. All the details will be submitted under the Skills section, as shown. You may now click on the Edit button to make any changes, or click on the Delete button to delete the skill. You may also click on the Add button again to add another skill. Next, you may click on the Add button to enter your language proficiency. Select the languages from the drop-down list. Most job postings include specific language requirements. Select the proficiency or skill level from the drop-down list. Next, select the years of experience and last used time span from the drop-down lists. After entering all the relevant details, click on the Save button. All the details will be submitted under the Languages section, as shown. Your CV completeness score will also increase. You may now click on the Edit button to make any changes, or click on the Delete button to delete any language. You may also click on the Add button again to add another language. Next, to add any references to your CV, click on the Add button on the References bar. Enter the reference's name, job title, company name, phone number, and email address. After entering all the relevant details, click on the Save button. All the details will be submitted under the References section, as shown. Your CV completeness score will also increase. You may now click on the Edit button to make any changes, or click on the Delete button to delete any reference. You may also click on the Add button to add another reference. You may also add memberships to your CV by clicking on the Add button on the Memberships bar. Next, enter the organization name, membership since, in month and year, and your membership, or role in the organization. After entering all the relevant details, click on the Save button. All the details will be submitted under the Membership section, as shown. Your CV completeness score will also increase. You may now click on the Edit button to make any changes, or click on the Delete button to delete any membership. You may also click on the Add button to add another membership. This section shows the completion percentage of your CV. It also suggests you to complete the incomplete sections of your CV. You can enhance your CV by completing the additional suggested CV sections. For this, you may either click directly on the links shown under the Suggested CV Sections heading, or may visit that particular section on the CV Builder page. Under the CV Settings section, you can set your CV as searchable by employers, or as confidential, that is, hidden from employees. By default, your CV is set as searchable, as shown. To set your CV as confidential, you need to check the Set CV as Confidential checkbox. You will then get a pop-up message on the screen, informing you about your new CV setting. To set your CV again as searchable, you need to check the Set CV as Searchable checkbox. You will then get a pop-up message on the screen, informing you about your new CV setting. Next, we have CV Statistics, which shows the number of jobs you have applied for, how many times you have shown up in search results, how many times your CV has been viewed, last update date, and your CV reference ID. You may also refresh your CV to update all the changes made by you. This is to increase your chances for showing in search results. Next, to upload or change your photo, click on the Edit link on the image icon. It will take you to the Upload My Photo screen. You may also refer to the guidelines by clicking on the Guidelines link on the right, or Photo Guidelines tab. On the Upload My Photo tab, click on the Choose File button on the left to choose the photograph you want to upload. Maximum upload file size is 200 kilobytes, and the allowed file types are JPG, JPEG, and GIF only. Once you chose the photograph, click on the Upload button. After successful uploading, you will get a confirmation message on the screen, as shown. You may again click on the Edit Photo link to change or delete an already uploaded photo. It will take you again to the Upload My Photo screen, as shown. To upload new photograph, you may follow the steps demonstrated earlier. If you want to delete an existing photograph, click on the Delete link. A pop-up message will appear on the screen, asking for confirmation, as shown. Click on the OK button to delete this photograph, or click on the Cancel button to cancel deletion. As you click on the OK button, you will get a confirmation message about successful photo deletion. Most importantly, to upload or copy-paste your CV, you may either click on the Attach CV from File button, or add your original CV file attachment link shown under the Suggested CV sections. CV information pop-up window will appear on the screen, as shown. You may either select Upload My CV file, or Copy and Paste My CV. Upload My CV file will be selected by default, as shown. Selecting the Copy and Paste My CV option will enable the Paste Content Here field. Maximum allowed character length is 150,000. You may also use spell check to check your spelling. You may also read about protecting your personal details before pasting your CV by clicking on the Protecting Your Personal Details link. It will open the Protecting Your Personal Details page as shown. Click on the Close button to close this page. Also, the Attach CV from File button will be removed from the CV Builder page as shown. Next, let's see how to upload your CV file instead of copy-paste. For this, you need to select the Upload My CV File radio button as shown. Click on the Browse button to locate your file. Supported file types are doc, docx, PDF, and txt. And maximum allowed file size is 1 MB. As you select your CV, uploading process will start, showing the progress status of upload. Once the upload completes 100%, the CV information window will disappear, and the original CV attachment section will appear on the CV Builder page, below the Experience section. Your CV completeness score will reach 100% in case all other sections are also complete. Also, the Attach CV from File button will be removed from the CV Builder page, as shown. You may also view your CV by clicking on the View Text Extracted from Attachment link, available under the Original CV Attachment section. As you click on this link, your CV text will be displayed, as shown. You may also update your CV by clicking on the Update link, available under the Original CV Attachment section, as shown. As you click on this link, it will take you to the CV information window, wherein you can make the desired changes using the steps demonstrated earlier. Additionally, you may download your CV using the Download Attachment link, available under the Original CV Attachment section. Or may click on the download icon, available on the top of CV Builder page, as shown. As you click on any of these options, your CV download will start. You may also print your CV by clicking on the print icon, available on the top of CV Builder page, below the cover letter section, as shown. As you click on the print icon, PDF file of your CV will be downloaded. You can then open the downloaded PDF file and take the print. You can also rename your CV by clicking on the CV title shown at the top of the CV Builder page, as shown. As you click on this, Rename CV, as pop-up window will appear, as shown. You can rename your CV and click on the OK button to update the changes. Else, click on the Cancel button. As you click on the OK button, your CV name will change, as per the changes made by you, as shown. To delete your CV, you may also click on the Delete icon, available on the top of the CV Builder page, below the cover letter section. Or may click on the Delete link, available under the Original CV Attachment section, as shown. As you click on the Delete icon, a pop-up window will appear, asking for your confirmation. Click on the OK button to delete your CV. Else, click on the Cancel button. Next, a cover letter is used as an introduction, and usually sent with your CV when you apply for a job. A cover letter allows you to say what you want to say to your potential employer. If you'd like some help, you may visit our career resources section for tips and advice on how to write a successful cover letter. To add a cover letter, you may click on the cover letters link available at the top right side of CV Builder page, as shown. As you click on this link, it will take you to the cover letters section, wherein you can add a new cover letter, or view, edit, delete an already created cover letter. This section is taken separately as Add Cover Letter. You may refer to the Add Cover Letter section of the online user guide for the complete demonstration of this feature. You may now click on your CV name at the top left side to return back to CV Builder page. You may click on the See How Employers View Your CV button, available at the top left side of the CV Builder page, to view how employers will see your CV. As you click on this link, it will open your CV in another window. It shows your complete CV, along with the last update date, last login date, and CV reference ID. You may also click on the Print button, available at the top left side of this page, to take a print of your CV. You may also click on the Export button, available at the top left side of your CV page, to export your CV to PDF file, or CSV file, or RTF file. Select the file format in which you wish to export your CV, and click on the Export button. As you click on the Export button, your CV will be downloaded successfully, as shown. You may click on the Home button, available at the top left side of Export CV page, to return back to your CV. As you click on the Home button, it will take you back to your CV page, as shown. If you want to forward your CV to your friends and colleagues, click on the Email to Friend icon, available at the top left side of your CV page. As you click on this icon, it will take you to the Email to Friend page, as shown. Next, enter your friend's email address and message, and click on the Send button. As you click on the Send button, a confirmation message will be displayed on your CV page, and your CV is successfully sent to your friend's email ID. With this, we have come to the end of the section, Use CV Builder. Hope you found this user guide useful. Similar help is available to guide you on other valuable features on our job portal. If you need further details, or have any queries or suggestions, please use the feedback form available on the top of our website.